Hey everyone, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to choose the right med spa for you. Because again, in this world, there are med spas that are popping up like everywhere. I could literally throw a rock and probably hit at least about 3 or 4 in my nearby neighborhood. But what makes us different? So one of the things in choosing a medical spa, just like with choosing a provider, you want to see, well, what is it that they specialize in? What makes them special? What makes it so that this med spa is right for this particular procedure? One example is, for example, like body contouring. And if that patient was interested in something like the M-Scope Neo, perfect. We got things like the M-Scope Neo, the M-Tone, the Vanquish, the Cellutone, on and on and on, in order to help you, meaning that that's something that we specialize in. Say for instance, you're looking for something a little bit more direct and invasive, such as things like, considering help in the sexual wellness department. That is one of my favorite things. It's something that I am passionate about. So when you look at our website, you're going to see, not only the things that we do, but also too, not only do we do these procedures, but we actually are certified in doing these procedures. So for example, I'll give the perfect example. There are med spas around me that advertise a PRP shot, right? They call it, or they tout it as a O shot, okay? So the thing to know is that when you are certified in your procedure, meaning not only you got the letters behind your name, you're certified in your procedure, and you're part of this Cellular Medicine Association, guess what? You actually call it an O shot, right? Because again, if you're gonna be doing this procedure, you want someone who's doing a lot of them, who specializes in it, and then more importantly, you really want someone, and I see this a lot, this is actually a funny story. I had more than once has this happened before, where I had a patient and they got the shot, and they may not have gotten it with me, but then they're wondering, well, how come this shot didn't work? I spent all this money, but it didn't work. And I mean, granted, yeah, we may have just been a couple $100 difference between the two providers, but the thing is that when you're a medical provider, you're not only going to say, hey, you need this shot, let me make sure that I'm doing it right, because again, I'm certified in how to do it, but hey, is there anything else medically that's getting in the way to why you can't have that proper libido? Or if you're a guy and you had a PRP shot to the penis, here we do a P shot, because again, we're certified in doing that type of procedure. So if for some reason I have a guy or a female who had the procedure, and I'm looking at them as a medical provider, and I'm like, well, hey, they're a little bit older, let's check their testosterone level. Let's see what their levels are, because again, that can also be a contributing factor. Or if the person is having problems with something like urinary incontinence, guess what? We have the IMSLA to actually help out with that. So as a medical provider, we're thinking a little bit different than like everyone else, because again, this is what we specialize in. We want you to feel the best. And it's important to know that if that place doesn't specialize in this, you may not get results, not because they necessarily did it wrong or if they're not a certified provider, but just simply having that medical attention that says, hey, you need a multi-therapy in order to get the results that you're looking for. And that's where your medical provider and the expertise comes in. That's what makes Sugarland Medical Spa different. Not only do we offer a lot, we're certified in all the stuff that we offer, but we consider ourselves specialists at this. So I'll give you another example. So summer's always coming. Even if it's the wintertime, summer's coming. Here right now, it's spring 2024, and summer's coming. So for example, I have some people, they'll do body contouring, but I really feel that they need to lose weight before doing body contouring. So what am I going to tell that patient to do? Hey, we got a weight loss program. You're going to get better results if you get on the weight loss program first and then do the body contouring. And we can actually package all that stuff together. But it's just having that medical expertise to say, hey, here's this person. Here is this person's medical history. Here's what's safe for this person. Here's what's not safe for this patient, for this particular person. Here's how, if you want to get from point A to B, I'm not only going to just put you through it, I'm going to tell you why we need to do it in this order. And then sometimes again, if you have to layer it in order to get that hot summer body that you're looking for, I'm going to actually tell you how to do it. And that's what we do here at Sugarland Medical Spa. Yes, it's a spa. Yes, we do facials and we do vajacials and we do waxing and laser hair removal and all that other fun stuff like that. But the thing that we have the most fun in is giving people the results that that they want. And that's what makes us special. That's what makes us Sugarland Medical Spa. We're very passionate about what we do. We care about what we do. Feel free to reach out to us. Our website is www.sugarlandmedspa.com. Let us know if you have any questions. You're more than welcome to talk to some of our estheticians on staff. They will be more than happy to give you recommendations or tell you what you need to do in order to make that next step in being the best you. I have this thing I always tell my patients that yes, getting older does suck, but it doesn't have to suck as bad. So yes, try to live your best life. We are here to help you do that. So visit us today, sugarlandmedspa.com, and take care. Peace and love. Again, it's Dr. Evans tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, to tune in to find out more about ways that we can help you feel your best as you're aging. Take care again, Dr. Evans.